Has this ever happened to you? Probably you're working on a project and then you decided to take a break due to the complexity of the project, only for you to open your Pixellab and continue the project, and then you realize that the project is scattered. I mean, completely scattered, and then you don't know what to do due to the situation of things. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you what you should do in order for you to recover your project, the necessary steps you need to take in order for you to recover your project the way it was before you closed your Pixellab. Stick around, make sure you watch this video to the end because you're going to be gaining value from this video. See you in the video.
Hello guys, it's Vicsontech. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can recover your project. Probably you closed your Pixellab and when you opened it, you discovered that the project is totally disarranged. I'm talking about something like this. You know, it's very frustrating. I can relate. It is very frustrating. But then in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you a way out. In other words, I'm going to be teaching you what you are supposed to do each time your workspace is disarranged or completely scattered. Meanwhile, I would like to show us something. The very reason why I'm making this tutorial video is because a member of our community reached out to me. He told me that this has always been a constant problem for him. You could see the chat between I and him. So I told him that this is really terrible. You have to be patient because I'll be recording the video this weekend. So I'm making this tutorial video primarily because a member of our community reached out to me. In case you have not joined our WhatsApp community, do well to join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below. So guys, let's address this challenge now. So guys, take a look at this icon on my screen. Just look at it. I want to use this icon and explain the undo command and the redo command. You know, in Pixellab we only have the undo command. This is what I'm talking about. This command, yes, this is the only command we have. But in Windows we have both the undo command and the redo command. This is how the redo command looks like. Yes, I'm going to tell you the function of the undo command and the redo command. I know that you are familiar with it, but listen to me. There's something I want to point out in this tutorial video. In Windows, the undo command helps you to reverse your last action or step. In other words, it helps you to go back one or more steps if you make a mistake. That is, it helps you to reverse an action. And the keyboard shortcut for that is what? Ctrl Z. But in Pixellab, all you need to do is just to click on this icon. That is the undo icon. And it will reverse the action you took previously. This is the function of the undo command. Now, what is the function of the redo command? The redo command helps you to reapply the action you just undid. In other words, it helps you to move forward again after using undo. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For instance, if I move this text here, probably I made a mistake and I want to take this text back to the original position. All I need to do is to click on what? The undo command, and it will automatically take it back to where it was. Now, if it happens that the action I took was not the right action, let's assume that this is where it was supposed to be originally, but then I brought it here. So for me to take it back to this point, I will need to use the redo command. I don't know if you understand. Just follow me, you understand. That is the function of the redo command. If I undo it this way, it will take it back to where it was. Now for me to move it here, I need the redo command, but it is not in Pixellab. How do we navigate this command in Pixellab? That is what I'm going to teach you guys. So I'm teaching you guys two things today. I'm going to be teaching you how you can arrange your project and how you can use the redo action. Now let's start with your project. Let me delete this. Now, if your project is scattered, because I'm about to close my Pixellab now, I want to show you practically how you can do it. So I'm going to close my Pixellab now. Okay, I've closed it. Now let me open it. Let's open our Pixellab. Now, my Pixellab is asking me, an auto save of your last session is available. Do you want to recover it? I'll say yes. But look at how it looks like. It is scattered. And this is what many of you facing. A particular project that you've been working on. You launched your Pixellab only for you to see how scattered it is. Let me show you what you are supposed to do. Click on this icon, that 3 dots. I want you to click on recover auto save. This is how it looks like, and this is what I'm talking about. Okay, click on it. You could see that it has the history of your workspace, the history of what you have been doing. Hope you get. Now, we want to recover our project the way it was previously. Click on this second one. It is important you take note of the day and the time you closed your Pixellab, so that if you encounter that problem or challenge, you'll be able to trace the time and the date in the history section. Hope you get. So let's click on it. Click on it. Bam. Hope you can see what I'm talking about. It recovered my project completely. Both this icon I used to explain the undo and the redo command, it recovered everything because of what? It saved it in the history section. So this is how you recover your project. Whenever you encounter this kind of problem, all you need to do is to click on these 3 dots, go to recover auto, then you have to trace it using the time and the date. It is very important in case this problem is consistent, in case it is always reoccurring, just like what a member of our community told me. So guys, this is the easiest way you can recover your project instead of you starting afresh. I know how frustrating and devastating it can be each time you open your project. You discover that your project is completely disarranged and scattered. So guys, this is how you can navigate this challenge. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new content. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp community. Is important to join so that you can make any request anytime, any day. See you in my next video. Okay guys, before I leave, I want to say a big shout out to Sunday for making this request. Thank you so much. You are the reason why I had to make this video, and I believe that this video is going to help a lot of graphic designers out there.